Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Compass Payroll. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser, then go to your default search engine. Then search Compass Payroll Login. Scroll down a little bit. There you can see Compass Payroll Service. Click on it. From here, scroll down a little bit. In the right side of your section, you can see Net Client Login, Evo Employer Login, Evo Employee Login. Click to Evo Employee Login, then it will redirect you to an employee portal. There, enter your username and enter your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to sign in. Then you should be able to access your Compass Payroll. If you have forgot your password, you can get help by clicking to I forgot my password. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.